Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, February 12th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. So after another very strong day with new highs on Friday, the ES is one time framing up for 4 months. SPY is one time framing up for 5 weeks. ES is not because of that outside week up. And SPY also one time framing up for 7 days. All time frames are up. So if you are a bear, nothing could change until they take baby steps, which would be number one, taking out a daily low. Right now, we spent the entire overnight in the upper distribution. In fact, we spent it in M period range. Look at that. Again, we've been talking about this for days. Sellers there's nothing to defend here for the bears, right? They just keep getting run over. So the only way they're going to make any kind of progress is they need to get aggressive. They need to be aggressive. They need to take out the overnight low. They need to take back the trend day. They need to get acceptance into the lower distribution. They need to take out Friday's low to put the daily back into balance. If they don't do any of those things, you're going to continue to get this grind to higher prices. Okay? Same goes with NQ. Righty, right now looking to possibly gap higher. Remember, they had a triple distribution day on Thursday, a double distribution day on Fridays. They have a lot of catching up to do. Right? Their weekly is finally in balance. Their daily is up. Again, unless they take out last month's high at some point. I'm sorry. Last month was the inside month. December's high. To me, it's still balance. A long, long balance. As far as the game plan for us, well, it's a very, very tight overnight. Okay? We're talking 18 handles. We've had tight ranges. We've had very light volume. In the bigger picture, that doesn't bode well for the bulls because at some point you should get a decent flush. But that doesn't mean price can't keep going up. So you can look at right now, we're trading right at a 22 wide overnight. So we still have 70 minutes to go. It depends where the overnight high and low are. But again, you could look to front run the overnight high if it's here and use the all-time high as your out. Same down here. You could front run the overnight low, and then it depends how much heat you want to take, right? From the overnight low to where the bottom of the upper distribution is 4 points. If I only have a one lot on, I will take that 4 points worth of heat to see if we stay in the upper distribution, even if we fill the single prints. If it's a bigger play, then I probably wouldn't. So those are two really, really early plays. Again, very fortunate. Had a bunch of people join the trading room this past weekend after, I believe, watching the podcast I did with Aaron Corbs. So again, if you haven't checked that out, you could go on my YouTube channel on the Paul Asmar and find it, or on the Aaron Corbs. It was a great time. I think very informational, and hopefully it shows why these people joined my trading room. And then on the chart, just going to show you the daily because nothing can change until the daily does. Okay, so for bear, you need to take out Friday's low. If you do not take that out, nothing has changed, and they continue to grind up. Remember, markets do not go bull bear or bear bull. You need to come into balance first. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.